Hello, everyone. For the online story discovery task, we propose a framework called HRSTORY, Historical News Review Based Online Story Discovery. Next, I will introduce the work we have done. For the online story discovery task, we found that some news articles tell multiple storylines. The presence of primary and secondary stories leads to incorrect story assignment when articles are assigned to stories, and this misassignment can negatively affect the performance of story discovery as the data stream progresses. For example, at time point T1 in the figure, there should have been 3 story themes, but due to the secondary story in an article that should belong to story C, which discusses part of story B, the article's relevance to story B reaches a certain threshold, causing the article to be incorrectly assigned to story B. However, when time point T2 arrives, many articles about story C appear, but the article that was misassigned still belongs to story B, even though its relevance to story C is now higher at time point T2. Therefore, we believe that solving this problem requires addressing 3 key points. First, how to obtain more accurate article encoding results. Second, how to correct misassigned data in the continuously advancing data stream so that incorrect results are not accumulated and do not affect the performance of story discovery. Third, whether we can reduce the interference of noisy data, making the article encoding results more aligned with the primary story theme. For this reason, we propose the HRSTORY framework, and the following is the overall architecture of HRSTORY. In comparison with other frameworks, HRSTORY achieves optimal performance and shows significant performance improvements when using the Sentence T5 pre-trained language model. We also conducted statistical analysis on the data, where clustering results changed after news review reclustering. We then performed ablation experiments to validate the effectiveness of each module. We also conducted experiments on some hyperparameters to analyze and find the optimal hyperparameter settings. Finally, thank you for watching, and thank you.